The Spare Tire Delete by Fab Fours offers a practical space to store your vehicle jack or your spare gas container. And it's made right here in America. The Spare Tire Delete offers space for high-lift jack mounts and a 1-gallon Roto-Packs for gasoline reserves for those extra long adventure days. Turn the rear of your Bronco into usable space for overlanding and exploring off the beaten path. This product is made with 11-gauge US steel and comes in a Fab Fours 2-stage black powder coat finish with epoxy primer. It weighs 16 pounds and offers you more space to pack those necessary items to get out and explore. The Spare Tire Delete is 29.5 inches wide and fits applications on the 21 to 22 Ford Bronco. So whether you're planning your next trail day or just looking for a more custom appeal on the rear of your vehicle, this product offers a practical and fun solution. Installation is simple and shouldn't take too much time. Remove your factory spare tire holder and then this one just bolts right on. If you are interested in purchasing the Spare Tire Delete by Fab Fours or looking to have one installed, check out the store locator here or in the description below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.